Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about another principle of design, which is unity. Unity is the connection between elements that create a sense of organization or harmony in the art. So unity helps to make a sense of completeness, to make it done. It helps to just sort of like smooth and even it out and just make your eye just feel like at home with the piece. So on our worksheets or on a blank piece of paper, we're going to do a few different things. There's an example for each, and then also I will be doing an example. So get your paper ready and let's start. Okay, so first we're going to talk about similarity. So this can be done when two objects, even though they're different, have a similar color, texture, shape to them. So for example, in the example, it shows a ladybug and a butterfly, and your eye just reads them as two of the same, even though they're different. So I think for mine, let's see, I'm trying to think of two different things that could go together. All right, let me start off with something that is a circle. Yeah. Okay, so if I have a circle and say this is an orange, right? So I'm just going to make it an orange. Can't really tell. Put some dots in it to texturize it a little bit. And say over here, I make the same circle, but pretend this circle was actually a, what kind of ball? Oh, we can make it a basketball. Perfect. So I made a basketball like that. So I have a basketball and an orange, but by giving them the same shape and now the same color, your eye is going to read them as being similar and having unity. Like so. Now, with continuation over here, this is when something sort of like draws your eye through the piece. So on our example, it has a whole bunch of bugs crawling up one piece of grass. So we could do the same with, I'm going to do cars on a road. So if I have a windy road like this, and I'm going to make my road like so, and then if I put some cars on it, whoop, maybe I'm going to make this one a little bit more rectangular so we know it's not all the same cars, they're a little bit different. Maybe this one's like a bug. My cars are not that great. I'm sure you guys can do better than me. There we go. So now I have three different types of cars, but they're all driving up the same road. So that gives a little continuation to your art piece. So now we have repetition. So basically, when things repeat, you view them as similar and like together. So if I were to do, in their picture they have bugs, but I'm not a bug fan, so I guess that's why I haven't been doing bugs, but you guys can definitely do bugs. I am going to do some hearts that kind of line up like that, and because they are repeating, it shows that they're like together, that they're a group of them. Now for proximity, when items are closer together, then you view them as similar or a group. So, for example, if I have, what should I have here? I'll just do like a smiley face. If I have a smiley face here, if I have like a frowny face here, oh, that's a smile. Double smile. And then say over here, I'll do this one a frowny face. I view that as a group, so it shows unity. Even though they're not all smiling, right, or not all doing the same pose, they're in here as a group, very close together. Now, our last one over here is alignment. So alignment is when things are all lined up, and even though they're not exactly the same, the way that they are positioned on the paper makes you feel like there's a group of them, or there's unity, there's harmony in the piece, all is right in the world. So they have bugs, but of course I'm not going to do some bugs. So we're going to do some ovals, like so. Have them all lined up. And then I'm going to do some circles, the same size, in the same line. See how your eye is sort of like now going from line by line? It's drawing your eye down. And I will even do some squares. But all of these are slightly different. But because they're in this row that's very methodical, it sort of makes your eye at peace, and it slowly takes you through the artwork. Alright guys, so that was 5 different ways to make unity in your artwork, and you can look at the examples on the screen or take a look at this and draw along with me. But I can't wait to see it. Make sure you turn it into me. Good job, guys.